bar chart. Today I'm going to make overlapping bar chart in Excel. Overlapping bar chart is very useful to visualize comparison between data sets where one is inherently part of another. Here we have target values, actual values, and these are different categories, different sectors of your economy, and which make this whole GDP as well. Just we select these two columns along with their labels, Alt and C, to make column bar chart, not column chart, because labels are long. So you have this bar chart, and we can now take it down so that we can construct this chart the same way as I have constructed this one. So now we want to nest these in these blues. Basically it's some sort of nested bars. So take it to secondary axis. Here you have secondary axis, and now blue are the ones in which you have this second one, actuals are nested. So make these blue bars length width wider. So take it to 50, 52%, 42%, whatever you like, and now you have these orange nested inside blue, and now we need to do little bit with axis. Here you have minimum 0 and maximum 6% on secondary axis, while here you have 0 and 7%. To make axis range same, just right click, format axis, and make it to 0.7. so you have now same axis, and you can rub this because we don't need it. You can delete these axis, secondary axis. Yes, we have saved data inc, and here you have decimal places which we don't need. We can save some more ink by taking it to 0 decimal places. So we have saved more ink, and you should rub chart title from here. You should rub these lines border because it is not providing you anything but is consuming your ink. So now you have this chart. Today I am not going to rub these vertical lines so that you can have some sort of visual comparison, and then you can select a title here, and you can merge these categories, select a title, and play a little bit with this graph. You will have a graph similar to the one I have made here. So I hope this will be a useful video for you, and you will make these overlapping bar charts wherever it's necessary, and instead of side by side bar charts, overlapping bar charts in many cases are very handy. Take care.